What's the meaning of ashlar? Ashlar. Ashlar.
Ashlar. Ashlar. Ashlar refers to a type of finely dressed, squared stone masonry that is used in building construction. It is typically made from materials such as limestone, granite, or sandstone and is characterized by its smooth surface and uniform shape. Ashlar masonry was commonly used in ancient Greek and Roman architecture, as well as in Gothic and Renaissance styles. The finished look of an ashlar wall is precise, clean, and elegant, making it a preferred choice for many historic buildings and monuments around the world.